how to create an order form in Wix.com. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to create an order form in Wix.com. So the first thing that you need to do here is you need to log in to Wix.com. Once when you do it, you can see that you will be redirected here on this dashboard right here. And from here, you can click on design site and you will be opened up to the Wix site editor. Here, what you can do is, let me just go down first. Here you go. Now what you have to do, you have to click here on search and then write form builder and wait for the applications to open up. Press enter and you're going to open this 123 form builder and payments and click on open. And here you need to add it to your site. Agree and add. Now this will be adding up to your site that you're working on. So you have to wait a wee bit for it to pop up into the website. It might take some time for that, but be patient, be calm, and it will be there. So it's here, the form. It's still going to take some time, but here you go. It has been loaded successfully. Now this is the form builder. Now what you need to do is you need to go here on settings, and then you need to go here on forms, and then you can click here on order form and customize this order form that you're going to build. Yeah, we can go with new form because the last one was taking a wee bit amount of time. Here you go. So we have created a new order form, and now it is asking which order form you are going to create. Like, is it an application form, a financial form, registration form, survey quiz? Completely completely up to us. So we can click this, personal use, or 1 to 9 employees, healthcare, education, arts, entertainment, and here you go. Now a custom form will be built here. A custom order form will be automatically built here that we can use. We can also select a template if we want. Let's see if we can use a template. Because sometimes these things come in the premium plan, so we kind of get restricted, but here you go. So this is the form. You're going to fill the form, and it will be done. We can just write our names and fill the required fields, but if we do it, this is the basic gist. After your name, your email, your phone number, and then you can add page, and then you can add, more information to this form that you're going to build. So that's how you build an order form. This is the mainstream thing. You can customize and design further depending on, what do you want in this form, but that's completely up to you. It's different for every other person, but that is the specific way, the generalized way of building an order form. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.